Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have your sheet and a backup. Now start immediately. Select the cell next to the first value and type equals IF, A200A2. This tells Excel, if the number is negative, return 0, otherwise return the original. Once done, press Enter and make sure the reference points to the correct source cell. You're setting up a non-destructive transformation. This preserves originals while producing cleaned values you can verify before replacing anything. Once the formula is correct, fill it down through the dataset by dragging the fill handle or double-clicking it. You must verify a few rows so you catch reference mistakes or cells formatted as text. Adjust the formula if necessary. When satisfied, select the helper column, copy, then paste special right arrow values back into the same helper column. This step converts formulas to fixed numbers so you can safely replace the original column without losing results. Now, select the cleaned values, copy, then paste them over the original numbers column using paste special right arrow values, so you replace negatives with zeros. Delete the helper column and resave your file. To confirm, apply a filter or sort to ensure no values are below 0. This gives a final verification. If some cells remain negative or behave oddly, make sure they're numeric. Convert text numbers with value or multiply.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.